What you're about to see is one of the rarest muscle cars ever built. A Sebring Yellow 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Rallye 350, numbers matching, fully restored, and one of only 3,547 ever made. This isn't just a car, it's a collector's dream, a street legal legend, and a piece of American muscle history that will leave you speechless. Stay tuned because you've never seen a Rallye 350 like this before. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a truly rare gem that's going to make any classic muscle car fan's heart skip a beat. The 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Rallye 350. This isn't just any Cutlass, this is a numbers matching, one of only 3,547 Rallye 350S produced car, and when you see this Sebring Yellow beauty up close, you'll understand why collectors are willing to pay top dollar for it. So buckle up because we're diving deep into what makes this car an absolute masterpiece of American automotive history, and trust me, you don't want to miss a single detail. First off, let's talk about the engine, because under the hood of this Rallye 350 is the matching numbers 350 cubic inch V8, the heart of this machine. This was Oldsmobile's answer to the growing muscle car craze, delivering power without the insurance penalties of the bigger 455 engines, and it does it with style. The engine is paired with an upgraded 4-speed automatic transmission, giving it a smooth yet assertive driving experience. And for the purists out there, yes, the engine is completely original, numbers matching, and in phenomenal condition, which instantly raises its value in the collector world. This combination allows the car to cruise effortlessly on the highway or roar through the streets with confidence, making it a perfect balance between performance and practicality. One of the most unique features of the Rallye 350 is its rarity. Only 3,547 of these cars were ever made, which means finding a restored example like this is nothing short of a miracle. Add to that the rare W27 rear end, which was a performance upgrade not found on every model, and you have a car that is not just visually striking but mechanically significant. This rear differential is strong, reliable, and contributes to the car's overall performance credibility, especially for those who love to drive their classic muscle cars the way they were meant to be driven. Visually, this car is absolutely breathtaking. The Sebring Yellow paint is the only factory color for the Rallye 350, and it pops with a vibrancy that instantly grabs attention. The Ram air hood is functional and aggressive, perfectly complementing the sporty rear wing and giving the car a racing-inspired stance. Every line, every curve, every detail screams 1970s American muscle, and when paired with the super stock two wheels, body color bumpers, and correct factory decals, it's clear this car has been restored to a high standard that respects its original design while making it showroom ready. Step inside and you're greeted with a driver-focused interior that includes the Rallye steering wheel, a tilt steering column, and even a Tic-Toc-Tach, a classic gauge that was a signature of performance Oldsmobiles. The factory air conditioning is included, although it may need servicing to blow cold again, which is understandable given the car's age, but it shows just how luxurious the Rallye 350 was for its time. You feel like a king behind the wheel, commanding one of the most exclusive rides of the muscle car era. But the Rallye 350 isn't just about aesthetics and rarity, it's about driving experience. Equipped with the FE2 performance suspension, this car handles corners with surprising poise while still delivering that classic muscle car feel. It's a combination of smooth cruising and aggressive handling that makes every drive exciting. Whether you're taking it out for a weekend cruise or showing it off at a car meet, this Cutlass Rallye 350 commands attention, respect, and admiration wherever it goes. Now, let's talk about the investment side of things, because this is not just a car, it's a collector's piece with only a handful of Rallye 350S surviving in such pristine condition. Prices have been steadily climbing, and a car like this with full restoration, rare options, and numbers matching authenticity is valued around $52,995 or about $53,000. In the classic car market, that's not just a purchase, that's an investment in a piece of American automotive history. And considering the quality of restoration and rarity of the car, this price is actually competitive for enthusiasts looking to secure a Rallye 350 that will only appreciate in value over time. Every detail on this car speaks volumes about the care and effort that went into restoring it. From the correct body color bumpers to the proper super stock two wheels, the attention to detail is impeccable. Even subtle touches like the factory decals and rear wing placement show that the restoration team didn't cut corners. They respected the history of this model and made sure it remained as authentic as possible while still being fully functional and ready for the road. In terms of collectability, the 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Rallye 350 occupies a unique niche. It's rare, it's visually stunning, it's mechanically sound, and it has all the hallmarks of a car that will be sought after by collectors for decades. Unlike some muscle cars that are more common, this Rallye 350 offers exclusivity, historical significance, and a truly exhilarating driving experience. And when you factor in the fact that it comes fully restored in a color that screams classic American muscle, it's clear why this car is highly desirable. So, if you're in the market for a muscle car that stands out from the crowd, offers performance, style, and history all wrapped in one package, the 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Rallye 350 is the ultimate choice. It's a car that's rare, it's authentic, it's stunning, and it drives like a dream. From the numbers matching engine to the rare rear end, the ram air hood, the rear wing, and every single detail inside and out, this is a car that represents the pinnacle of Oldsmobile's muscle car era. Don't miss out on seeing a piece of automotive history come to life. This is a car that turns heads, commands respect, and delivers a driving experience unlike any other. It's more than just a classic car, it's an investment, a collectible, and a statement, all in one. Thanks for joining me today to check out this incredible 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Rallye 350. If you loved this car and want to see more rare and exotic classics, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next rare gem we uncover. And remember, this isn't just about cars, it's about history, passion, and the thrill of driving something truly special. This is the 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Rallye 350, Sebring Yellow, numbers matching, and one of the most coveted muscle cars you can own today, and it's waiting for someone who truly appreciates the beauty, performance, and legacy it represents.